So how do you create inline choices from a one column checkbox choice in Gravity Forms? It's super easy because Gravity Forms has CSS ready classes in order to accomplish a lot of the things the way that we'd like them. So the list classes, which the checkbox would fall under, fall here, and you can turn it into 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 or 5, or just say you want it all in one line. And the way you would do that is grab this GF list inline ready class, and then you're going to pop in here to your form. And you will pop that ready class right into under the appearance tab into the CSS list class, and you can see it displays inline instead of in the one column. We'll save it and I'll show you how that turns out. Now it's inline versus in one column. And that is how you turn a one column checklist into an inline list on a Gravity form.